I don't want peace. I want problems always. I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Isabel, let me tell you something. Last time, that was pretty wrong. They were fighting. He was on top of her, killing
The blood of Jesus.
Every told my teacher.
You told the teacher?
Yes. That's right. Essay about our house. And she called me and gave me the first. She said I stole everything. I told her everything.
You told the teacher everything?
And she shouted, yes.
She shouted? Yes, I remember. Yes, last time I also saw Mommy.
What are you complaining?
Mommy was fighting with Daddy. Hey.
Who was fighting with Daddy?
Mommy almost killed Daddy.
Mommy almost killed Daddy.
Yes.
Jesus
Daddy was
Christ.
like, it was like Daddy couldn't even breathe. I don't know why they are fighting, trying to kill themselves. Why?
That's really bad. We need to confront them.
I don't even understand what they are doing.
Will you keep quiet?
Daddy, why is it that you guys are always fighting? You guys want to kill yourself and leave us here. Why?
Child.
Junior told me that he saw something the last time. He saw you lying on money and you nearly killed her. And Jaden too told you that he also saw something. He told me that the last time too, he saw mommy lying on you. She nearly killed you. Why?
There is God. Oh.
Why do you want to kill yourselves? And you are suffocating and you're like,
And you was any. So what you in this? We are full of bonny pa. Who is fighting who? I didn't say Maka can the food never but two in a mafia. Mobianco High, but two.
How are we going to get the money for rent?
Motu.
What is your head? Oh my God.